please put your hands together for the co-producer of this movie, who is also the writer of Fuddu, Mr. Pawan Kumar Sharma. He's always busy on the phone. Pawan, please put your hands together for Mr. Pawan Kumar Sharma. Now I would like to invite the co-producer of Fuddu, who is also the singer of this super romantic song, Tu Zarurat Nahi, Tu Zaruri Hai, none other than Gandharv Sachdev. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. अभी अभी आपने सॉन्ग सुना है, वीडियो देखा है, and he is the male singer and also the co-producer. The female singer is Shreya Ghoshal. Unfortunately, she is not here right now. And the shairi is recited by Ranbir Kapoor. There's a shairi in this song which is recited by Ranbir Kapoor. Even he is not here right now, but they both have sent their best wishes for all of us. And they have also said hi to the media people. Now please put your hands together for the music director of this romantic song, Mr. Sumit Bellari. He is not here right now. He'll be joining us in a short while. Now I would like to request the CEO of Zee Music, Mr. Anurag Bedi, to kindly come on stage. Is Mr. Anurag Bedi here? I guess even he's not here. Even he would be joining us in a short while. हद से भी ज़्यादा तू है ज़रूरी. I'm not saying this. This shairi Ranbir is reciting. Please put your hands together for Sunny Leone. When passion meets pain, what happens? If you want to know, then you have to ask someone to whom I'm going to invite on stage now. I'm Joshi, he's Joshi, but he's surely not my brother, because कोई भी लड़की ये नहीं चाहेगी कि उसको अपना भाई बुलाए. So please put your hands together, the super hot Sharman Joshi. Welcome. Yeah, Tia Joshi. Now I would like to request Sunny Leone to say a few words. Sunny, what was your experience? How was your experience while shooting this beautiful song, Tu Zarurat Nahi, Tu Zaruri Hai? Can you share some moments?
मेरी experience बहुत अच्छी थी, and I feel very honored and feel amazing that I got to be a part of a song like this, and also I got a chance to work with Sharman Joshi, which is the first time that I've gotten to work with you, and it was a pleasure.
You have always done dance numbers, and this particular song is totally different from all the other songs. So how did you feel about this?
Actually, कुछ pressure नहीं था dance करने में. So I was happy when I saw the visuals, creative visuals क्या थे. जब मैंने गाना भी सुना वो भी अच्छा था. So it was easy to say yes, and yes, it's very different from other songs, item songs that I've done in the past, and it's nice. As you guys have seen, it's a beautiful video.
Yeah, it surely is beautiful. Thank you so much, Sunny. Now I would like to ask Sharman, how was your experience working with Sunny and doing this beautiful romantic number?
Yeah, hi, evening everyone. It's been an absolute pleasure, like Sunny said so. I return the compliment. Been a big fan of hers, great professional, and it was smooth sailing while shooting this song, which I thought was a very good number. And the way they've eventually managed to get the video going, I thought was rather special. So all in all, very happy and proud to be associated with this song, and I wish the producers, all of them up here on the stage, the very best for this film, and you know, may God be with them, and May the best outcome be achieved. God bless. Wish you the very best again.
Thank you so much, Sharman. Group picture. Yeah, can I request the lyricist of this song, Mr. Satya Khare, to kindly come on stage? And I would like to request the music video director, Mr. R. Swami, also to kindly come on stage. Can we proceed with the group picture? Thank you so much for all the photographs. I request everyone to kindly be seated now. I request Sharman, Sunny, Gandharv, Pavan, Mr. Pradeep Gupta and Mrs. Gupta to kindly be seated. And I request all the media people to start with their questions.
रब से भी ज़्यादा तू ज़रूरी है. मतलब आप समझ लो घर जाके आराम से.
और म्यूजिक के बारे में बताइए कितने गाने हैं, रोमांटिक गाने वगैरह वगैरह.
वेल सॉन्ग ये ऐसा है कि फुद्दू जो फिल्म है इसका ये प्रमोशनल गाना है. इस गाने के लिए गंधर्व पवन की इच्छा थी कि दे हैव सम फेसेस फॉर द सॉन्ग एंड सो सनी एंड मी वर आस्क्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग. सो I think I can speak for both of us. Our contribution towards this film is this song. All the other details Gandharv and Pavan will be able to share with you. But this is a song I thought was very nice, and when he explained or rather gave me a gist of what the story is, I thought it complemented the story very much, and happy to be a part of this.
Yeah, can we know again of the other songs? जो बाकी के songs
Yeah, sure. Just one second.
बारे में बताएंगे?
बाकी के गाने भी जल्दी आएंगे मूवी के. ये पहला प्रमोशनल सॉन्ग है मूवी का, तू ज़रूरत नहीं तू ज़रूरी है. और बाकी के गाने भी आपको जल्दी एक एक करके सब आप लोगों के सामने आते ही जाएंगे. पहले हमने इस गाने से अपनी जर्नी को शुरू किया है और सनी और शर्मन की बेस्ट विशेस के साथ. हाँ जी, किसका? मेलोडी का सर. सर सैड लव सॉन्ग है, मेलोडी बहुत अच्छी है और डेफिनेटली आपको पसंद आएगी फॉर श्योर।
Sunny Leon here. I'd like to ask you, Sunny Leon here. Sunny Leon here. The on-screen chemistry between you and Sharman is very good. What's the reason behind that? On-screen chemistry.
Reason behind what, sir?
On-screen chemistry.
Good chemistry. I think it always comes down to respect. And जब मैंने सुना था कि he's going to be in this video, I was very happy to get a chance to work with other actors Bollywood में who have obviously accomplished a lot, has done a lot of work मेरे से ज़्यादा. So for me it's a big honor to be able to work with somebody who's so accomplished. So it comes down to respect, really.
So it's your first music video with Sharman. So how was it working with him and what did you learn from him?
What?
Song is her domain, I learned from her.
What was it like working with him? It was
And
great.
what did you learn from him?
Extremely professional, very nice, very pleasant. We had nice conversations on set, which was great. When you sign to do a song, especially if you don't know each other, पता नहीं क्या है कि वो कैसे होंगे, कैसे बातें करेंगे, how will he be like, or you never know. And I was very happy and very pleased. जब मैं set पे आई थी, we hit it off right away and had nice conversations all day. It was great working with you.
Sunny, the video looks really sensual and very, very, very good. But while you're going on set, are you still nervous before shooting anything like this, a song or a scene?
No, I believe that when I shoot a song or जब मैं film shoot करती हूँ, कि the people that I'm working with, I have to believe that they're capable and they're very good at what they do. So the nervousness was never there about the set or working with Mr. Joshi or just none of that. I think it's more about how's गाना कैसे लगेगा, how's it gonna look. Maybe थोड़ा सा वो nervousness होता है, but it's turned out absolutely beautiful.
Were you excited to work with Sunny for this video? Were you excited to work?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I was very excited and he pleased and had a great time working on this video with Sunny. Like she said, and like the gentleman over there pointed out, that we share a good chemistry. I think it's got to do when you kind of connect with each other as people, then somehow it appears in your work. And I had a great time working with her. Yeah, thanks.
Are you debuting in Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai? Yeah, are you on the show? Yash, are you?
For the
Can
promotion.
you tell us more about it?
I didn't hear her question.
Can you please
She's
tell us
asking
more
that
about
there's a
it?
serial Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai. Are you going on that serial for promotion?
Not on the promotion.
Yeah, for the promotion of this movie.
Are you debuting on this show by any chance?
No.
I am on the show, but मैं ऐसे ही गई थी. I didn't go for any reason. Just because मुझे जाना था, मैं गई. So I went to Bhabhi Ji's house.
Sharman, there are reports that 3 Idiots ka sequel is going to be there. So will we get to see a sequel? Abhishek Joshi is writing a script on it. Rajkumar Hirani will be directing it. Yeah,
Mr. Hirani should be the right person to answer that. But I hope so. I hope it happens. That'll be great.
As a producer of the film, I really thank you, Sunny and Sharman, to be a part of our film. I thank you them very much, wholeheartedly.
Thank you so much, Pradeep Gupta sir, and thank you so much all of you for coming here and making this evening more beautiful. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the song, the most romantic song of this year, the love anthem of this year. I want all of you to please download the song right away. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.